Hi everybody, welcome to Rockledge Gardens. Today we're going to be talking about propagating through cuttings. So what is propagation? Propagation is the process of creating a new plant from a parent plant. The new plant is going to be genetically identical to the parent plant. One of my favorite plants to propagate is a Pothos plant. Until very recently I used to say Pothos. I've heard people say Pothos. I looked it up, it's Pothos. This is a neon variety of Pothos, and I have them all over my house. I bought one plant in the beginning and now I have about 18 of them through cuttings. So I've chosen this piece. Now when you make your cut, you want to make sure that the part that you're choosing has plenty of these little nodes. The other thing you want to make sure you do is leave the end of the parent plant with a leaf. So when I make my cut, I'm going to go directly under this leaf. I cut at a 45-degree angle. That's going to leave the parent plant a nice cut at the end that will keep water out so that it doesn't get diseased. So the other thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to peel off a few of these leaves to make a nice stem to go in the water. So just peeling those off. And because my node that's closest to the bottom is right here, and this is all stem with no nodes, I'm going to go ahead and cut below this last node here. Then all you have to do is pop the stem into some water. Rainwater works especially well. I collected this from our pond just outside there. So if you can collect rainwater, that's great. If you can't, leaving your water, your tap water out so some of the additives can evaporate before you put your plant in is a great idea. You can use any type of glass container. This is a simple mason jar. In a few days, you'll start to notice the roots appear. At this point, your pothos can survive in water, and if you like the look of it, you can just have a vase of pothos that'll last and last. If otherwise, you can go ahead and plant this into a nice, well-draining indoor potting soil.